Mike Seidel is in Charlotte, North Carolina. Mike, how much snow did they get in Charlotte? How much freezing rain, sleet, and what's the situation like there?
Hey, good morning, Jim. Yeah, we're going to lighten it up a little bit here. We're on Veterans Hill. We've had a couple of inches of snow and sleet. It's snowing all morning here in Charlotte. Just north of town, they've had 5 or 6 inches. We had 5 or 6 inches of snow. Sorry, someone was telling me I was off the air. Meanwhile, look at all the kids out here. Are you having a great time?
Yeah!
Do you want it to snow more?
Yeah!
Who wants to move? Who wants to move to Buffalo? Yeah, well, don't take that personally, Buffalo. Okay, what we're going to do, kids, is have a massive sled down the hill on the Weather Channel. Is everybody ready?
Yeah!
Okay, on your mark. Get set. Don't take out our photographer, Chris Erickson. On your mark, get set, go. Well, there they go. Down the hill. Wow, this is fun. Over to the left, there goes Leo, the dog, chasing that sledder. Boy, what a nice time. You got to remember, Charlotte only averages about 4.3 inches of snow a year. Some years they don't get hardly a flake. Some of these kids have never sledded before. So this is just a fun morning and afternoon to do this. The snow's going to wind down in the next couple of hours. But as Jim mentioned, it's going to be the cold weather that's going to keep this around for a couple of days. Now, the roads are in pretty good shape out here. They've scraped and salted and treated these roads in Charlotte. Again, they're not perfect, but they're not as bad as they could be here because we've only had a couple of inches of sleet and snow. Look at those temperatures. Down around 9 or 10 the next couple of days. Tomorrow's record low is 8 on the 8th of January. We're going to be very close. By the middle and latter part of next week, highs are going to be back well into the 60s. Guys, thanks for helping out.
You're welcome.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah!
Okay, we'll come back. More coverage on Winter Storm Helena on the Weather Channel.